Hello friends, so today we have this plan ready with us. It's for a small house in which can have about 28 feet by 50 feet its size. You see the dimensions here. So you can see 28 feet by 50 feet. So it have three sides plots. So no road on the three sides. So only front side is the entrance. Some streets there to go inside. So if we see from here, we have car porch. Let me show you on the other plan. It's better here. Okay, here is a car porch about 13 feet 9 inches by 14 feet. Entrance of the house. So you can see stairs going up. So below the stairs will be the dining area, which you can see. This is a sitting area. In this wall we can have a TV. Then this is a small drawing room with attached bathroom for the drawing room for the guests. So let's move ahead. So you can see here, this is a one bedroom. It's a pretty big bedroom by 11 feet by 16 feet 3 inches with the OTS for the ventilation. A bathroom above 9 feet by 5 feet. And here you can see the main area is the kitchen. Its kitchen size is about 9 feet 6 inches by 16 feet 4.5 inch. Kitchen, I always like to make a pretty big kitchen because our ladies have to spend most of the time in the kitchen. So if kitchen is small, it will be very messy and difficult for them for the movement to keep the things. So here you can see have the washing machine. So normally what we can provide a water connection underneath under the counter. And if it is you have top load washing machine, so you can keep this area open. If you have front loaded, so you can put under the marble of the counter, and there will be the drain connection, so it will be remain concealed here. Just you can put the cloths while cooking, you can wash the cloths also. And if okay friends, so this is for the ground floor. Now we move to the first floor. So when we go to upstairs hall, the sitting area, pretty big sitting area is there, and there are two bedrooms equally divided with two bathrooms. One is 9 feet by 5 inches and other one is 9 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. I forget to put the dimensions here, so here will be about OTS 6 foot 6 inches by 5 feet. You will see the other side. So above the drawing room we have make a one bedroom with attached bathroom. Here we make the bathroom pretty big, and you can see we have extended the slab outside on the roadside. It's how much, let me check how much it's extended. It's about 1 feet 10 inches. So you can see approximately 2 feet extended. This will be the open terrace. It can be covered if you want to cover up to here. It's your choice. Let's see, like here you can cover like this one. So this area will be covered and remaining area will be open to sky. So this is the here, and here you can see this. I make some colors in the layouts to have some difference. See, bedroom, bathroom, everything is here. So it's a pretty small and good design. I hope you like this design. If you have any comments, please let me know. In the next video I will make its elevation and I will post it in the video, because this I make for my cousin and I have sent it to them, so they did not yet finalize. So maybe with the 1 or 2 days they will finalize if they have any comment. Otherwise I will make its other drawings and for elevation also. So till that time, thank you very much for your time, and if you like my video, please like and comment it and subscribe to my channel also.